Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from my automation channel. Today in this session we will see how we can run our Cucumber test using a tags from command line. In the last session we have seen how we can run through command line from TestNG XML files. So this session is an follow-on session on that. In case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier session and let's get started. So in this we will do a simple configuration changes. One is in the runner file. So this is a runner package and this is a runner class, right? So in the runner I will do one thing. I will make it as test runner, okay, to make some differences between the package name and the class name, and I will rename this class name. And then after, there is no change in your step definition, no change in your feature file, and there is a no change in the uh, page objects. And in the testng.xml there is a one change, that is between your test tags and class tags there is one additional line we need to add, that is, so that line I already added in my notepad, so I will quickly add it here. So this is a parameter line, so which will be pointing to our cucumber filter dot tags and which is equal to the smoke tag. So this is pointing to that one of the a variable name called cucumber filter tags. And then after, you need to do one more change in the cucumber testng pom.xml file. So in the last session we have built this one, right, the build plugins and everything. So in this we have to do some small change which is I have in my notepad again. So I will copy that. So additional system property variables is going to be added, and in that we are passing this filters, the filter cucumber filter option. So here I will paste it, and from this command, so it is parameterizing to our suit XML file, right? So we are now hard coding it to the testng.xml to run this test. Okay, and here you can see system set property, and under that cucumber filters dot filter, which is a parameterized filter. So in this testng.xml we already given a name right here. Now we already given this, and we have to save all files so that it will save in our local as well, right? I will save, and everything is saved, and right click to the project and go to the properties, and under that you go to this show in local repository. From there you go to this project folder directory, and there you type cmd and it will open a command prompt window, and from there you can simply type maven mvn clean test, and here you provide -d cucumber dot filter dot tags equal to smoke tag, and hit enter. So it is started running, and this should trigger a test. So there is an error which comes in here. Okay, okay, let me go back to the pom.xml, and also let me copy this command so that we next time simply paste it. Copy and close this and go back to the pom.xml file. Okay, there is no error, and this is suit and everything is fine, and the testng file everything is looking okay, and test runner okay. In the testng.xml file we need to change a test runner, the class name which we have changed, right? So that we have to update. Now again right click to the project, go to the properties and go to the local folder and open it, and from here type cmd and it will open, and enter the same command which we have run and hit enter. Okay, now it is started running our test. So it has executed, and you can see the results are published. So this is a way that you can run your tags from the command prompt. And if you wanted to try a negative scenario, let me give it that. So here it is a smoke, right? So now I will change it to something called sanity. Sanity tag is not there, but still we wanted to see whether it is working or not. Right. Sanity tag related tests are not available in our project. That is the reason it has not started any test, and you can see number of tests run was 0. So I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any questions, queries, do post in my comment section and I will help you out. Thank you.